Now I'm going to the next exercise, that is methods of solving the first order and first degree differential equations. So in this chapter, we are going to concentrate only on the first order and first degree differential equations. So you know what is first order? Dy by dx is first order. First degree is any power, any order raised to the power of 1. Right? So you know these 2 points. Now what we are going to do is we are going to find the solutions for it. The first method is called as variables and separables method. Okay. So differential equations with variables separable. So the meaning of this is you can separate the variables and write it. That is the meaning. So till now what did we do? Till the third exercise, though the name of the chapter is differential equation, what exactly were we doing? If a function is given to us, depending on the number of arbitrary constants that are present on it, we were differentiating and trying to find the differential equation. Going forward, what will happen is, if a differential equation is given to you, then if they're asking you to find what is the function for which this differential equation is actually coming out, then we need to go in the reverse process. I told you already. So when a function is given to you, if you want a differential equation, what are we supposed to do? Differentiate. Whereas a differential equation is given to you and the function is asked, you're going to
Integrate.
Okay, so going forward, we are going through integration. In that, the most important method is this variable and separable. This is the basic method that is there. Okay, so let me explain how do you solve the problem using variable separable. So write down the heading, differential equation with variables separable. Okay, I will take an example from what we have solved today. Okay, see, observe. If you look at this equation, dy by dx minus x divided by y. That's there, right? So dy by dx is minus x by y. Let's say dy by dx is equal to minus x by y is the differential equation they have given. Okay. Now what is our work? We need to find the function from which this differential equation is actually coming. For that, observe the method to be followed for this variable and separable is each side of the equation should have variables of x on one side and variables of y on the other side. For example, in this problem, what I can do is I can take y to the other side, means I can write it as y dy is equal to, I can take dx to the other side, can I write it as minus x dx? Are you guys able to understand this point? Means
Yes,
if you
sir.
observe, left hand side is completely dependent on y and the right hand side is completely dependent on x. So what we are going to do is differentiate, integrate both sides, integrating on both sides, that's it. No with respect to above. So when you integrate on both sides, what do you get? Integral of y dy will be equal to integral of minus x dx. Okay. So integral of y dy is how much? Y square divided by 2 is equal to minus x square divided by 2 plus, since you are doing indefinite integration will require a constant. Are you guys able to understand this point? So if I take the constant, for example, I'm leaving it as c itself, then I'm bringing this minus x square by 2 this side, it becomes x square by 2 plus y square by 2 is equal to c. Accepted? So this is x square plus y square is equal to 2c. What does this actually represent? This still represents center. Tell me one thing, are you guys clear till this point, this step? Did you understand how I formed this equation? X square plus y square is equal to 2c.
Yes, sir.
Now see, so the first question that we took is x square plus y square is equal to a square. Means in this context, what is happening? That a square is what is given as 2c. Right? X square plus y square, forget about a square. X square plus y square is equal to some constant itself represents that it is the equation of a cell with center as origin. And that is what we have got here. So now I hope you are able to understand how these two exercises are related, right? And mainly these kind of integration we are going to do only for first order and the first degree differential equations. Please make a note of it.
Sir?
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, is this also a general equation solution, general solution?
Yeah, it is, because it's a general solution. Because you have 2c, no, we don't know what is the value of c. It's a general solution.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah. So find the general solution of the differential equation. Dy by dx is equal to x plus 1 divided by 2 minus y. See, generally it is in this form. When I write like this, y is equal to f of x, what is the meaning of this? How do you understand? If I give you a statement like y is equal to f of x, what is your understanding? You're trying to say that the variable y is dependent on x, right? If I give you a question like f of y, what will you say? You will say the variable y is variable x is dependent on y. Am I right? So here, if you observe, dy by dx is neither completely a function of x nor completely a function of y, because right hand side, what is it you have? You have both x and y present in this dy by dx capital X. Okay. So it is a function of x and y. Whenever you see this kind of an expression, we need to apply the variable separable method. So according to variable separable, what can I do? So given is dy by dx is equal to x plus 1 divided by 2 minus y. So 2 minus y into dy will be equal to x plus 1 into dx. Accepted? So what is it we need to do? We need to integrate on both sides. So when you integrate on both sides, you get 2y minus y square by 2 is equal to x square by 2 plus x plus c. I hope it is clear. So x square by 2, bringing y square by 2 to the other side, it becomes y square by 2 plus x plus 2y plus c is equal to 0. So take multiplying with 2 on both the sides, you get x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y plus 2c is equal to 0. So what does this represent?
Circle.
Circle with what? It represents a circle with center at minus 1
It
comma
is
minus 2.
Sir, minus 4y.
Minus 4y, sorry. Minus 2y, minus 4y. Then center will be minus 1 comma plus 2. I hope you are able to understand, right? So this is also a general solution because you have 2c, which is an arbitrary constant. It's not a fixed value.
Sir?
Sir, can you
Yeah,
explain,
tell
sir?
So why didn't you
Which
add
one?
a constant at the LHS, sir?
You can do it that side also.
Is there anything specific? Because why is there you're not supposed to add or something?
Nothing like that. Because see, that c value I don't know, no. So if you want me to add plus x, I'm leaving. Then x to the other side, y square plus x minus 2y minus c is equal to 0 is what I'm going to get. Whether it is going to be plus c or minus c, I'm not bothered about it because it's not a fixed value. I don't know what is the value of it unless certain conditions are given to me. Now what I will do is I will take this minus here, but still it's a constant. You're able to understand this point. So it has nothing to do with whether you're taking it on left hand side or right hand side. It is up to you. So what we need to do is you need to take the y variables on one side, x variables on the other side, as simple as that. Okay. So as we progress, you guys will understand what I'm doing. Shall we move on to the next problem? Again, see.